Hello everyone, I'm Aarti from Team 1. We are going to present about the 10 new launched product during this COVID. I'm going to present about the ITC Fruit Veggie Wash. ITC has launched a fruit and vegetable wash during this COVID. Uh, Fruit and vegetable wash has been specially designed to preventive hygiene solution which is safe to use and no other bleach or any added chlorine in this veggie wash. It is not contain any artificial color. She said that vegetable and fruit wash has been extracted from the neem and citrus fruit. It does not contain any artificial agent and it acts as a pesticide and it kills germs. It said consumer sensitivity to health and hygiene is at a heightened level. ITC's first 100% natural product is a action veg and fruit wash. It is a consumer delight as it delivers the effectiveness of the power of ingredients, natural ingredients. Again, I'm going to present about the Marvex Face Shield. Marvex is a helmet manufacturing company which is a brand utility best in class technology and global design to craft sturdy and especially for bike riders who needs a helmet. This company has launched a face shield during this COVID-19. The face shield claimed to be highly durable, easy to maintain, and easy to use with a scratch resistant material. The face shield designed to cover the face completely from the front and from the both side to ensure with a splash protection from every angle.
Good morning. I have taken Marico Limited products, one which has been launched during this COVID-19. One is VeggieClean. VeggieClean it helps you to wash germs of fruits and vegetables. It is made from natural soap. It helps to remove germs, bacteria, waxes, and soil prevent on the surface of fruits and vegetables. VeggieClean will be available in all e-commerce channels. For under 200 ml it is 149 rupees and 400 ml it is 289 rupees. Another one is Travel Product Surface Cleaner Disinfectant Spray. It is suitable for both hard and soft surface. It effective against fungi, bacteria, virus, etc. It kills 99.9% germs. It can be used as a cleaner to clean the seats, phone screens, office tables, chairs, door handles, glass door, and more. It has a fresh fragrance. It is perfect for when you are traveling. It contains 200 Good morning. ITC has launched multiple initiatives to participate to ensure the supplies of essential products and hygienic products are delivered at the doorstep of its consumer during this lockdown period. ITC has joined hands with Domino's to deliver the ITC essential items. Along with Domino's, it has partnered with food delivery chains Swiggy, Zomato, and along with the community centric apps such as Apna Complex, MyGate, and No Broker and Axo. Though such tie-ups, ITC has ensured the home deliveries of its brands like Ashirwad, Ippi, Sunfeast, Be Natural, Savlon and Fiamma. While Marico Limited has launched a Safolo store on Swiggy and Zomato, cab aggregator Uber India has launched a last mile delivery service and has partnered with online grocery from Big Baskets. Thank you.
Savlon cloth disinfection liquid, doctor's most trusted product, and it kills 99.99% germs including modules, fungus, odor and bacteria. Gentle and safe on cloth, just spray and let it dry. This is a formula used by Savlon. Kills virus and germs. Easy and convenient to use. Just shake the bottle and spray it on the cloths. And it tested for safe on the wide range of cloth, and it's free for bleach. Savlon surface disinfection spray. No need to wipe. It kills 99.99% germ kill around home. Kills H1N1 virus and norovirus. Kills antibiotic resistant germs. Rupees 19155. The spray can be used on tables, door hubs, charts, and sofa, among others. The company informed the users to spray only once their high contact area through which germs get transmitted and allow it to dry.
Asian Paint introduced a safe painting service in the COVID-19. It is the best painting service that care of your health and home. The safety and sanitation steps undertaken by Asian Paint Safe Painting Service to maintain the well-being of their painter, their family, and the consumer also. To ensure the painter safety, daily protocols such as temperature check and the usage of PPE kit and hand sanitizer will be compulsory. Simultaneously, tools will also be sanitized for dust-free painting and for a fast and uniform finish. The efficient painter and contractor of Asian Paint have been trained virtually by ground team. The undertaken digital class via WhatsApp, conference call and videos. They also ensure physical training via PPTs and video. Thank you. Reliance Life Science has developed an RT-PCR kit that promises diagnosis of deadly coronavirus infection in about 2 hours. It is named R Green Kit and has been technically validated by ICMR for satisfactory performance. As per ICMR result, the kit show 98.7% sensitivity. A separate study by Reliance Life Science has indicated that the death rate of COVID-19 pandemic may significantly reduce by the end of the year 2020. Reliance also got a US patent for genetically modified microlag that is said to delay death. The US patent on September 8 issues the patent of US. Thank you.
I am Anisha. I am going to present about the new launch product. Dabur Indian also world leader in Ayurveda with portfolio of over 250 herbal brand of natural healthcare product. Body cup for premium personal care. Hashmola of disconnect real for the juice and believers and film boilers bleaching and skincare product. Indian is a most trusted Ayurvedic brand offer a new range of brand standardized double standardized skills for COVID-19 without the use soap and water. Standardize your brand with the double standardize your from the claim transfer for the direct contract with a indirect portion of the film can external sources.